Welcome to Animal Adventures with Benny the Bunny. Today, we're going to meet some amazing animals. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! This is Leo the lion. He's the king of the jungle with a mighty roar. Meet Ellie the elephant. She loves to splash around with her long trunk. Isn't she cute? This is Jerry the giraffe. He can reach the highest leaves with his long neck. Say hi to Max the monkey. He's a cheeky little guy who loves to swing and play. Here's Zoe the zebra. She has cool black and white stripes all over her body. Meet Pippa the panda. She loves to eat bamboo and is super cuddly. This is Katie the kangaroo. She hops around with her baby in her pouch. Say hello to Percy the penguin. He loves to waddle and slide on the ice. This is Tilly the tiger. Her stripes help her hide in the tall grass. Meet Danny the dolphin. He loves to jump and play in the ocean waves. She is beautiful, isn't she? Thanks for meeting our animal friends today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time.